Got a buddy over here. Don't want to get too close to him. He could be ornery. Hey, young buck. Pretty cool. Yeah, he's giving me that look. They get cocky as hell. All right, had this all covered up. It rained like a son of a bitch. But that's a nice rack on that sucker. Alrighty, gonna try a new challenge today. Off the shelf air guns. Discovered his channel and a sub to the guy. He's got some great content. Likes to joke around a lot. And I'm gonna go right at this. So you shoot kind of around the clock in a sense. Two shots, two here, and then you can go at each one of the eyes. Okay, and there is a, let's see, there's a multiplier as well if you do good. So we'll see how we do. I got the Hades today. Hades, and go right in.
The bullseye is 8. That's anything in the black or white is 8. That would be considered the bullseye. You get 2 bullseyes on one target. Say you shoot twice and you get 2 bullseyes, you multiply that by 2. So you get 32 points. You get 2 bullseyes, it's 32 points. Okay, you have to be touching the red dot in each eye for the 50 points.
Okay, gonna go at this here. Got my 16 rounder, got my Hades, and see how we're shooting today. I have shot a 16 round mag and did okay. I did play with my pressure settings and whatnot a little bit, so see how we do here. I believe that's a side or top left. Go right at it. One more of those. All right, I think I'm there. So, top left. Two shots each. Going over. Down to the bottom. Oh, pulled that one. That was the pellet. I didn't yank it or anything. Oh, 2 of them. Okay. No. Yanking. All right. Let's get comfy here. Target on the bottom left. Piece of the black there. Pretty much hold that, but I am leaking to the right. So we're going to go up the eyeballs. His left eye, which would be my right. See, I'm shooting a little right, so I'm going to go for the teardrop of his eye. Oh, might have touched it. And his other eyeball. Got that one lights out. That looks spooky. I'm gonna put on safe and go down and check this out. Fun target, very challenging, really tight. And the black, white and black is 8 points. Outer ring, 2 points. Okay. I'll have to figure this all out, but definitely pulled one up there, pulled two there, pulled these two way out of bounds, so